Have you ever brushed your teeth multiple times and still felt like your breath isn't fresh? What if I told you that bad breath doesn't always come from your mouth, but from deep inside your stomach? Yes, your gut health could be the hidden culprit behind persistent bad breath. Stick around because today, we'll uncover the real cause of stomach-related bad breath, and most importantly, how to fix it. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, affects millions of people. While most cases are caused by poor oral hygiene, food, or smoking, some people struggle with bad breath even when their teeth and gums are perfectly healthy. In this video, we'll break it all down into 3 parts. First, the main causes of stomach-related bad breath. Second, the most effective solutions backed by science. And third, everyday habits you can adopt to keep your breath fresh for good. Causes of bad breath from the stomach. Gut bacteria imbalance, SIBO and H. pylori. One of the biggest hidden causes of bad breath is an overgrowth of bad bacteria in your gut, especially a condition called SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Another major culprit? H. pylori, a bacteria linked to acid reflux and ulcers. These bacteria produce foul-smelling gases that travel up your digestive tract and into your mouth. Acid reflux, GERD. Ever experienced heartburn or a sour taste in your mouth? That's acid reflux, and it can bring stomach acids and undigested food back up your throat, causing an unpleasant odor. If you wake up with bad breath despite brushing at night, reflux might be the reason. Slow digestion and constipation. When your digestive system is sluggish, food sits in your stomach longer than it should, fermenting and producing gases that can lead to bad breath. How the gut affects breath. What's something most people don't realize? The bacteria in your gut directly affect the smell of your breath. A healthy gut equals fresher breath. Improve your gut health with probiotics. A healthy gut means fresh breath. Probiotics, like those found in yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods, help balance gut bacteria and reduce odor-causing microbes. Heal acid reflux naturally. If acid reflux is your problem, reducing acidic foods, eating smaller meals, and avoiding lying down right after eating can help. Drinking aloe vera juice or taking slippery elm supplements can also soothe your digestive tract. Stay hydrated and improve digestion. Water is your best friend when it comes to digestion. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your stomach acid balanced. Also, drinking warm lemon water in the morning can stimulate digestion and prevent buildup of smelly gases. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods can make things worse. Processed foods, too much sugar, and dairy can feed bad bacteria. Try cutting back and see if your breath improves. Have you ever struggled with unexplained bad breath? Did any of these causes sound familiar to you? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Share it with others to help them take care of. See you next time.